My name is Joel Johnson. I'm the conservation garden farmer here at the Native Seed Search Conservation Center in Tucson, Arizona. We want to take a few minutes this morning to show you a few of our water harvesting features around the property and how they connect to our goal of growing desert-adapted crops and seeds. The property that we're growing on here in Tucson is a double floodplain, and last year we got to see what that looked like when the monsoon rains really build up. And in particular, this area where we're at right now, the outlets of this fence would just flush all kinds of debris into the parking lot. So one of the projects that we worked on last year was establishing this rock work and these earth basins so that we could capture any sediment and then filter it and send it down towards our growing areas. We got to see this at work this monsoon, and it worked exactly like we were hoping to. Instead of this being raised dirt that was just full of weeds and moving debris onto the property, instead these are slowing, catching, and filtering the water, allowing it to soak in and encouraging the growth of native trees and plants. And it also is preventing us from having to constantly be out here cleaning up debris during the rainy season. This is another area where we're capturing rainfall off of the parking lot. This was, again, just dry, full of invasive weeds, so we solarized and removed those first. And then this boomerang-shaped basin behind me, which is stabilized by rock work, that's been drawing water off of the parking lot and then curving it around this area to feed several heritage fruit trees. We've got some figs and some pomegranates, as well as some Mexican sweet lime. And this has done a great job of capturing that rainwater and delivering it to the plant life that we want to grow. Right in front here, we also have a little bit of a French drain that's got some rock work, and that's been moving the water down along the parking lot perimeter, preventing us from having a really muddy truck road that we can't pass or access during the monsoons. That drainage is moving it down to basins that are further down the line, and that worked really well as well to keep everything accessible and to make sure that water is getting where we want to use it instead of puddling and ponding where it's a problem. This is one of two rainwater harvesting cisterns that are capturing rainwater from the gutters and then storing it so that we can deliver it to, in particular, some of the more water needy plants like the fruit trees and some of the perennials that we have around the conservation center. This one is also connected to a pressurized pump so that we can eventually connect that to irrigation and use that for some of the desert adapted seed production and vegetable production as well. And both of these were installed as part of a watershed management group volunteer project in February of 2013. So we're really grateful for that assistance, and these have been working really well for us for about a decade now. The ultimate goal of all of our rainwater management and harvesting is to provide support for these crops that we're growing here at the Conservation Center. Native Seeds houses about 1,900 different varieties of arid-adapted crop seeds, which represent cultural and agricultural heritage of 50 indigenous nations throughout the southwestern United States and northwestern Mexico. And we want to continue to steward these seeds as arid-adapted and resilient for our climate. One of the ways that we do that is by harvesting and using that rainwater wisely. And another way is by, when we need to irrigate, we use these shallow basin beds and drip tape to water really deeply and really focus our irrigation so that we can encourage deep root development in all of our vegetables so that they can access water that's available in the soil, but also so that they're really established and resilient in all climate conditions. Thanks for exploring our different features, and we look forward to seeing you out at the Conservation Center as soon as we can.